Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of GenGatorz University, where today we talk about the 3 things you should know about your Kohler home standby generator, and we're featuring again the ever so popular 26 RCA, which is our air-cooled Kohler 26 kW, which happens to come with a free 10-year warranty. Payments as low as $199 a month. Here's some cool facts you need to know. Kohler wind rating. So that's a tipping power on what wind speed could knock it over on a concrete foundation. Kohler tests at about 186 mile per hour wind rating, when 90% of the other competition, we'll call them generator A and generator B, max out at about 150 to 160. Second is sound. Kohler RCA is the quietest on the market at about 56 decibels when in exercise mode, and competitor B and competitor C are at about 63 to 65. Fuel economy, most important. You're probably thinking to yourself, why do I need to worry about fuel economy when there's a power outage? Well, guess what? Through our conversations with the parish government and fuel providers, there is a concern out there through a lot of people whether the gas pressure is going to be able to hold up or withstand, 10, 20, 30, 40,000 generators running in a concentrated area. So fuel economy should be very important to you, and Kohler literally knocks it out of the park at about 67% less BTU consumption at 75% load than any other brand. So when we help Kohler design these products to withstand our Gulf Coast conditions, they really dialed it in on fuel consumption. So when it comes to what you need to know, it's got the highest wind rating, it's got the quietest decibels when in exercise mode and consumption, and it is the most fuel efficient air-cooled generator on the market. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to feel the difference, stop by our showroom at 152 North Hollywood Road in Houma, where you can really see the power Kohler has to offer.